Okay, Lamai, the fourth lesson is waves and their applications. So, this is a physics lesson, and let's read this one. You have seen the ripples formed when you drop a pebble onto a still water surface. The disturbance caused by the pebble spread over the water surface in the form of circles centered around the point where the pebble hit the water surface as shown in figure 4.1. See, in figure 4.1 you could see this. Okay, formation of ripples on the water surface. If you hold a rope horizontally as shown in figure 4.2 and then shake the rope up and down, you will observe ripples forming in the rope. Here too, the disturbance caused by the hand travels along the rope. Formation of ripples on a horizontal string. Such a disturbance propagating through a medium or space is known as a wave. So, a disturbance propagating through a medium or space is known as wave. If you place an object like a plastic ball on the wave surface and then disturb the water surface, how would the plastic ball move? දැන් රෝප් එකක් මෙහෙම කරාම ඔයගලන්ට වෙනවා එකෙත් වේව් ඇති වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ මේ වෝටර් එකටම අපි ප්ලාස්ටික් බෝල් එකක් දාලා තිබිලා මේ වගේ ඩිස්ටර්බන්ස් එකක් ඇති වුනහම ඒ බෝල් එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? අර රැලි යන සැරේට it goes up and down. If you place an object like a plastic ball on the water surface and then disturb the water surface, how would the plastic ball move? You will observe that the plastic ball moves up and down perpendicular to the water surface. In order for the ball to move up and down, energy must be transmitted to the ball. Here, energy was transmitted to the ball through the water waves. The ball එකට up and down යන්න energy එකක් ඕනනේ. That energy is transmitted from the water waves. Energy was transmitted to the ball through the water waves. An important property of waves is that they carry energy from one point to another. They carry energy from one point to another. This energy transmission takes place in a manner that does not transmit the substance of the medium between the points concerned. As an example, when a water wave travels on a water surface, although the water particles at each point move up and down, the water particles do not travel along with the water wave. Wave motion. In the two examples given above, the waves propagate through a certain medium. The medium in the case of water wave is water. Okay, wave motion again කතා කරන්නේ. In the two examples given above, the waves propagate through a certain medium. හැමතිස්සෙම waves යන්නේ මොකක් හරි medium එකක් through. එතකොට දැන් water wave එක යන්නේ water through. The medium in the case of water wave is water. Water wave එකේ තිබ්බේ water. The medium in the case of waves propagating along the rope is material of the rope. The motion of the particles in each medium transmits energy in the form of waves through the medium even though The particles themselves do not travel along with the wave. Apart from two media mentioned above, waves propagate through many other media. දැන් මෙතනදී කිසිම වෙලාවක මේ දැන් වෝටර් මෙහෙම උඩ යටනේ යන්නේ. හැබැයි එක වෝටර් මේ මොලිකියුල් එකක් හරි එක වෝටර් පාටිකල් එකක් හරි මේ වේව් එක අරගෙන මේ පැත්තට ගියේ නෑනේ. It just go ups and down and the wave is go like this here also. You see මේ වේව් එක තමයි මෙහෙම දිගට යන්නේ. දැන් මේවා වේව් කීපයක් ඇති කරලානේ. නැතුව රෝබ් එකේ මෙතන යන්නේ නෑනේ මේ වේව් එක අරගෙන මෙන්න මේ ප්ලේස් එක මේ වේව් එක අරගෙන එයා යන්නේ නෑනේ මෙහාට. It just goes up and down. The wave transmit through this. It is what they are telling here. The motion of the particles in each medium transmits energy in the form of waves through the medium, even though the particles themselves do not travel along with the wave. Particles themselves do not travel along with the wave. Particles are not. Apart from two media mentioned above, waves propagate through many other media. Medias. We hear various sounds through sound waves propagating through air. Sound propagates not only through air but also through liquids and solids. Sound එක air වලින් විතරක්ම නෙමෙයි liquid solids වලින් sound එක මේ propagate වෙනවා. the solid වල example එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ හොඳටම දැකලා ඇති. අපි චූටි කාලේම අර desk එකට ඔළුව තියලා ගැහුවොත් එම හොඳට සද්ද ඇහැ. through solid sound එක යනවා. In addition to waves that travel through various media, there are waves traveling without a material medium. Light is an example for a wave that travels without a medium. Without a medium travel වෙන waves උත් තියෙනවා. Without a material medium. As an example, light is an example for a wave that travels without a medium. Although there are regions between the sun and earth without any material medium, the earth receives light and heat from the sun. Light and heat from the sun arrives at the earth as what we call it electromagnetic waves, and a material medium is not required for the propagation of electromagnetic waves. Not required. Radio waves too are form a electromagnetic waves. Radio waves too are form a electromagnetic waves. Radio programs transmitted by a radio transmission station reach the radio set in your home through air. However, air is not required for radio transmissions. Radio waves with electromagnetic waves by radio programs transmitted by a radio transmission station reach the radio set in your home through air. එන්නේ නම් එයා එක through තමයි හැබැයි ඕනේ නැහැ electromagnetic නේ. However, air is not required for the radio transmissions. Required නැහැ. Okay. So the first type of waves, so this is the intro part from here. Waves and their application. This is the introduction part. And after that, we are getting these mechanical waves, the first part in this lesson. See, we are going to divide them into two, then go with these two. Okay, transverse and longitudinal waves. Okay, the difference between two characteristics of wave. So these are the main things which we are learn in under these mechanical uh, waves. So let's talk about this first topic. Wave motion can be studied using a slinky. Slinky කියලා equipment එකක් තියෙනවා. මේක ඉස්කෝලේ lab එකේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ. මෙහෙම round වෙච්ච මේ විදියට round වෙච්ච කම්බියක් වගේ එකක්. A slinky is a coil formed with a steel wire. Okay, this is a slinky. Let's do activity 4.1 to investigate wave motion. Wave motion එක slinky එකක් use කරලා අපි investigate කරන්න යන්නේ. Slinky එකක් තමයි ඕනේ apparatus එක. Place a slinky on a table as shown in figure 4.4. Hold one end of the slinky and shake it to left and right on the plane of the table. Left right move කරන්න තියෙනවා. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ විදියට wave එකක් ඇති වෙනවා. මේ එක wave එකක්, මේ දෙවෙනි wave එක, මේ තුන්වෙනි wave එක. එතකොට waves කීපයක් ඇති වෙනවා. මොකද continuously අපි we are shaking it from left to right continuously නේ. So direction of the wave වෙන්නේ මේ පැත්තට තමයි wave එක යන්නේ. මේ movement එක තමයි මෙහාටයි වෙන්නේ. Okay. You will see a wave propagating through a slinky as shown in the figure. The wave propagating along this slinky is an example for a wave that needs a medium for propagation. Waves that need a material medium for propagation are known as mechanical waves. එතකොට ඒක requirement එකක් වෙන ඒවට අපි කියනවා mechanical waves කියලා. Waves that need a material medium for propagation is known as mechanical waves. Waves formed on water surfaces, sound waves that travel in air, and waves formed on a guitar string when the string is plugged are some examples for mechanical waves. For the propagation of mechanical waves, the participation of the particle in the medium is essential. Particles in the medium is essential. Based on the direction of motion of the particles of the medium, ඒ කියන්නේ medium එකේ තියෙන particles වල based on the direction of the motion of the particles of the medium එකේ තියෙන particles වල මේ motion එකේ direction එක අනුව and the direction of propagation of the wave, mechanical waves can be divided into two categories. First one is transverse. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ දෙක තමයි අපි base කරගන්නේ. Based on the direction of motion of the particles of the, okay. Direction of the motion of the particles of the medium and the direction of the propagation of the wave. මෙන්න මේ දෙක මත තමයි අපි මේ waves mechanical waves type දෙකකට divided කරගන්නේ. Mechanical waves can be divided into two categories based on those two reasons. Direction of motion කියන්නේ medium එකේ තියෙන particle වල motion direction එකයි wave එකේ propagation direction එකයි. Transverse waves, longitudinal waves. Transverse waves මේ තියෙන මේකේ medium එක යන්නේ මෙහෙම. You see wave එක හැබැයි ඉදිරියටම යනවා. Okay. මම අනිත් එකත් පොඩක් පෙන්නන්නම් ඔයගලන්ට පැහැදිලි වෙන්න. longitudinal level මෙන්න බලන්න මෙහෙම slinky එක අපි මේ පැත්තට direction of the motion මෙන්න මෙහෙම move කරනවා. ඒතර මෙහෙම එකපාරක් move කරාම මේ වගේ කැටියක් එනවා. ඊට පස්සේ කැටිය දිගටම යනවා. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ ආපහු move කරාම ආයෙ කැටියක් එනවා. ඒ කැටියට අපි compression කියලා කියනවා. ඒතර compression එක දිගටම ඉස්සරහට යනවා. compression එකකට පස්සේ එන්නේ rarefaction එක. මෙන්න මේ හරිය. ඒතර මෙන්න මෙහෙම දිගටම යනවා. එතකොට මේකේ medium එක වෙන්නේ මේ slinky එකේ material එකනේ. එතකොට slinky එකේ material එක move වෙන්නේ මේ පැත්තටමයි. wave එක යන්නේ මේ පැත්තටමයි. transmission of energy මෙහෙ slinky එකේ material move වෙන්නේ මේ පැත්තට. එතකොට ඒ වගේවට තමයි අපි longitudinal waves කියන්නේ. හරිද? මෙතන බලන්න. මෙතන වේව් එක යන්නේ මේ පැත්තට. ඩිරෙක්ෂන් of the wave තියෙන්නේ මේ පැත්තට. අර කලින් එකේ වගේම. හැබැයි මේ ස්ලින්කි එකේ particles move වෙන්නේ උඩටයි යටටයි. ඒ වගේ වට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ transverse waves කියලා. okay. මම transverse waves ගැන ඊට පස්සේ lesson එකේ ඉතුරු ටික කතා කරන්නම්. එකයි මේ transverse එකයි longitudinal එකයි ගැන අපි දෙවෙනි part එකේදී කතා කරමු. මේක take this one as a intro. okay. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Thank you.